In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a customized TikTok shop design for your TikTok shop. So your shop will look more attractive. It will be having all of the product you are having, and all of the customer visiting your shop will be able to know about your deals, your products, and what you're offering. So in that way, there are high chances for you to get more conversion, more sales, and make more profit. So it's a super easy step-by-step tutorial, and if you watch this till the end and follow the same steps, so you'll be able to design your customized TikTok shop, which will be connected to your TikTok page, and all of your TikTok followers will be able to see that, and that will be a plus point for you to get sales from your following, right? So keep watching this video till the end without skipping any part. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build a life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind, and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened TikTok Shop Seller Center. So basically if you want to create your custom shop, so you have to go on the left menu, scroll down and click on this marketing tab, and then you can see further option here like shop ads, promotion, shop design and campaign. So here you have to click on shop design if you want to design your shop. And here you can see that it will open this page which says shop design, and if you scroll down, so you can see that my shop is already live, and if I scroll down I can see some template as well, which are some popular sections used by other TikTok sellers who are top seller. So basically we can choose with them and add to our shop as well. You can see here the first one is collection, second one is flash sale, third one is our picks for you, and fourth one is special deals. So as my shop is already created, but just to show you how you can create one for yourself, I will create a shop from scratch in front of you, so you can also do that, right? So on the same page you have to go on top, and on the right side you can see this design shop. So when I click on that, then I will be able to see the current shop which is live on the store, but here we have to create a new shop from scratch. So for that, on the bottom I have to click on this add new page, and then you can see I have two options. Number one, auto generate design, and number two, customize design. So basically if I click on this first one, auto generate design, so it will design my shop with the help of AI, and then after that AI create the basic structure of my shop. I can actually edit that, I can actually customize the whole shop, like I can edit text, I can edit images, or even add or delete some modules as well. So let's just click on customize design because we want to create the shop from scratch. So here you can see that the basic structure of the shop is ready. You can see the header, the shop name, reviews, the followers, product, home and product page, right? And if I scroll down, I can see this first module single image, and a second module featured product, and a third module new releases, right? So in that way you can see that if I scroll down, there are multiple modules, and if I want, I can just add any new module from the left side or delete any current one which I want, and I can even change their places as well. For example, if I want this featured module to go up, so I have to select that and click on this up arrow, so that module will be the first one and the first one will be the second one, right? So in that way, I can just add any module, delete any module, or even I can change the position top to bottom, right? So if I want to add any new, so from the left side, I can see the single image, cross-shell, multi-click image, or multi-image. So if I want to add, so I can just click here and that will be added, right? And then if I want to customize any module like add or delete images, or maybe add any product in feature or sales, so simply I have to click on that one, and on the right side, I can just edit that. So for example, if I want to edit this with single image, so you can see that this module is having only one image, says discover all beauty things with us, shop now, and there is an image, and there are two clothes. So basically I can design this image into Canva, and I can change that image into my custom image. And if you want to change, you have to click on that, and on the right side you can see this, I can either delete or I can either edit and add a new image, right? And then if I scroll down, I can see new releases, and then I can see category. So basically if you want to show some products in these modules like new release or category, so you have to go at back end of the TikTok shop and create some categories and add some product into those categories. So if you create the category, for example, you are having a clothing store and you want to make categories for men, women or children. So when you create those categories at backend and add the products on those categories, so then you will be able to add this category here. But right now, as there are no categories on my store, so you can see that it says this module will not be displayed. And just like that, if I want some product to show here, then at the back end, I have to put some product into featured product as well. So then those products will be start showing in featured section, right? So if I scroll up, you can see that This is the feature tab, and if I click here, you can see on the right side it says item fields empty or invalid, please check and modify them. So here either I can add the product into feature from there, or even I can go on back on manage inventory and add the product from there. So if I want some of my products to be displayed on this feature section, so all I have to do is I have to go back on seller center, click on this manage product, and there I will be able to see all of the product. So I can just edit any of the product, and then after editing, if I put any of the product into feature section or any particular category, so that product will be start displaying on feature section or any category. So just like that, it's super easy. You can see this page here, and on the left side you can see modules, and on the right side you can see edit feature. So just like that, you can play around with these things, like you can try adding some module, you can try adding some product into subcategories into feature, or even you can put some product into flash deals. So basically if you put 2 or 3 products on a flash deal, and then on the left side if you scroll down at the end, and then if you add this flash deals module on your store, just like that, so you can see that the first module right now is flash deal. So if you apply some of the flash deals on your product, so all of those products which are having active flash deals will be start displaying here, and then when anyone visit your store, so they will be able to see all of the products which are having flash deals or which are in featured. And if you want to learn how to active flash deals on any of the product, so you can watch my other video in the same playlist which says how to active flash deals on TikTok Shop product. So I will put that video link in the description as well, so you can go there and watch. So once you active the flash deals on any of your product, so it will start displaying here. Right? So right after watching this video, go there, open that TikTok Shop design page, play around with it and customize that design as per your need. And if you want to add some pre-made template on your store, so you can go on this popular section, and here you can see that there are some templates like collection, flash sales and pick for you. So you can just click on add to shop. So these modules will be added on your shop, and then you can just edit those modules, put your images, put your product, and then publish your store. So right after watching this video, go there, design your custom TikTok Shop store and scale your TikTok Shop business like a pro. And if you want some other tips on TikTok Shop, then you can watch my other videos in the same playlist, which is almost having answer of your every question. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.